Hey guys, today we're going to do a tour of a custom-built home in Winter Park. This home was built by Rex Tibbs Construction. To help us out with this process, we'll invite one of our new agents, Trish Elliott, to help us out with the tour.
Hey guys, it's Trish Elliott with the Trotter Executive Group with Remax Innovation. Today we'll be touring this custom-built 4-bedroom, 4-bath home. So come on and take a tour.
Hopefully you enjoyed this virtual tour of 2700 Wright Avenue. If you have any questions about real estate in the Central Florida area, please feel free to contact me. My number is 321-331-1585. Again, it's 321-331-1585.